e-stop in. The reason why I always put the e-stop in before shutting down, okay, is in case somebody else who's not a trained operator or doesn't know what they're busy doing starts up the machine in the morning, okay, and wants to fiddle. I normally switch on this e-stop and one on the other leg, just to prevent in case somebody wants to fiddle. Right, so e-stop in, we go back to the electrical box. Red button switches off. You'll see the light goes off in the gantry. Main contactor off. And then you can also switch off at the plug. Bearing in mind all our machines come with surge protection. Then you can walk away from the machine. Everything's safe. Remember guys, to start up in the morning, it's the reverse of how I just switched off, which is make sure that your plug is in and on at the main wall, or your DB board, red contactor, green button switches on, everything boots up. That's it. Okay guys, just a side note, to remember that the machine that I'm busy working with over here is the smallest of our Excalibur range. Our Scorpios do not have the green and red button, on-off button. It's just the big round contactor to switch it on. Principle applies the same. The screen boots up. Everything I'm busy showing you here applies exactly the same to the Scorpio.